Turbocharged engines are at the height of their popularity due to their performance benefits, and it's these performance benefits that maximize the power output of smaller displacement engines, allowing us to continuously improve on fuel economy without sacrificing performance. But turbochargers get hot, raising underhood and engine temperatures, and the most critical factors affecting their durability are lubrication and cooling, which points to a frequent failure point in turbo systems. Regardless of make or model, oil and coolant line failure is a common occurrence which can lead to disaster. Rhein Automotive now offers a new line of turbo oil and coolant line upgrades for multiple makes and models. Original equipment designs are known for cracking or melting, and these new Rhein upgraded lines feature stainless steel or aluminum fittings in place of the OE plastic, creating a durable, long-term solution in a direct fit design. One of these upgrades, fitting various GM 1.4-liter turbo applications from 2011 to 2020, is one of the first domestic turbo hose products in the Rhein program line. When inspecting turbo oil and coolant return lines during service, inspect for leaks, cracking, or melting. When inspecting coolant return lines, also look for signs of plastic hydrolysis, which can be cracks, distortion, or a faded or discolored appearance. By performing a thorough inspection, you can identify and remedy problems that may otherwise lead to an expensive repair. Auto parts suppliers that offer both quality assurance and a reputable track record, such as Rhein Automotive, reflect their dedication to the industry by finding the best solutions for our customers, which includes providing upgrades for auto parts to solve common failure points. The implementation of these upgrades, such as our turbo, oil, and coolant line upgrades, not only ensures the longevity and reliability of replacement parts, but also makes a significant contribution to promoting a more sustainable and durable automotive industry. With Rhein Automotive by your side, rest assured that your auto parts are in safe hands. CRP guarantees optimal performance and overall satisfaction for our valued customers. To stay up to date with new products from Rhein Automotive and the rest of the CRP brand lineup, join the Jumpstart team at crpautomotive.com/jumpstart. And don't forget to subscribe to CRP's YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.